My name is Nichelle Thinagar. I'm from Massachusetts, and my project is creating a biomimetic robotic snake to assist in search and rescue in rubble environments. The robotic snake works by traveling into rubble and delivering food and water to survivors to basically prolong their survival until rescue crews arrive. I really mimicked biological snakes. I looked into how snakes move in real life. It's very much dependent on their scales. They're really smooth from head to tail and very rough from tail to head, and that lets them glide over a surface and then push back to propel themselves forward. A lot of this was kind of me working in my basement. The overall body of the snake is origami. I just printed out a fold pattern and used cardstock paper to make the body of the snake. The scales I 3D printed. The other components I got off of Amazon, places that make tools easily accessible. More recently, I've been working in a lab on my design. The origami body is now like laser cut plastic sheets, which make the design a lot more professional.
My name is David Berry. I am a subject matter expert with Project MFG. Machining is basically the inverse of 3D printing. A lot of us are familiar with 3D printing. It's an additive process. You start with nothing and you grow the product. Machining is basically the inverse of that. You start with a large block and you're going to be removing material, getting to the net product. This is used widely within industry. It's a desperately needed craft and trade that we have.
I've always been interested in how something goes from prototype to product, which people actually use, and I think the STEM Festival has been really good at showing us how to go about that. One of the main reasons I used soft robotics is because it's a lot more cost-effective. Ideally, this device would be accessible to more localized emergency response groups because those are usually the groups that are actually on the scene in time for devices like mine to be impactful.
Machining is a very creative process. You're building the world's stuff. I actually teach this full-time, and for every student I have, there's like 10 jobs available. Anything that has been man-made, mass-produced, somewhere along the line where it came out of the dirt to into the hands of the customer, there has been a machinist involved.
Dear future builder, even if you don't think your idea is the perfect idea, if it's something you genuinely care about, it's worthwhile to just keep pursuing it, develop that scientist's obsession with it, where you just keep going deeper and deeper into it, and you'll find new problems and new avenues to explore that can genuinely change the world.
Dear future builder, the world needs you. This is a future that you actually hold within your hands, an opportunity unlike anything ever before. Go get it.